Why haven't you made a TikTok for your Twitch yet? Do you think it's because you don't know what content you want to make? I'm gonna stop you right there before you start thinking and overthinking everything. TikTok is an insanely great marketing tool. So use your Twitch clips, dummy. Come on. You're probably like, I don't know how to edit videos. Do you think I have that time? Well, there's free websites that do it for you. Everyone knows the basic ones, like this one, Streamladder. But that's for another TikTok. Edit those Twitch clips with those websites. Start posting them on TikTok with the correct hashtags. You'll never know what could happen. So I made a new account as an experiment about 2 months ago. I post daily my Twitch content. So just clips from my streams. And I hashtag them appropriately. Some of them do very well. Some of them do very, very well. And then some of them don't do so great. You never know with TikTok. But the main thing is I have all these new eyes on me. Never hurts to try. And as a streamer on Twitch, we know that there is no discoverability. So we need to bring it and funnel it from outside things. Get on that TikTok. Do it before it's too late and you're way too far behind.